HCTI stock analysis and HCTI stock prediction is for Friday. Is it a buy or not? I'm breaking down all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in the space that's done this for 42,000 videos over 5 years. I'm not just saying this just to say it, I've like literally done it and documented everything. And the only thing that I would like to see from here on is the second break above 2 cents, right? It's 3 cents almost. It's not almost, it's like literally 3 cents. So I would like to see a second full candle close above that. And only if that makes sense, I'm looking to take it further up. Because I already got the first one, which by the way, it's also filling in a little gap. So I'm going to be very mindful. I mean, I'm a very process-driven individual, and I'm not the most intelligent one, but what's taken me to those 5-10K months and those 20x's callouts and picks that I've gotten is exactly this. Like you can see even here, like 42K videos made. Now, unless I see any sort of a shift or a double rate, there's no way I'm looking to double down on that. If you want my exact picks, 5-10K months and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already tried it. Continue.